Some breaking news now coming in from Mumbai, where two college students have been electrocuted. This is in Navi Mumbai, and it was near a bridge where this electrocution has taken place. So two students electrocuted. They are now in hospital where they are being treated right now. And this is another, accident taking place in Mumbai and raising questions about the civic apathy of Mumbai. So two students electrocuted. This is in Nerul, and they're hospitalized, currently undergoing treatment. This happened amid heavy rains. That it was there. You can see the visuals shortly after the students were electrocuted, and this is near a bridge there. You can see the poor students there lying. This is after a cable had fallen or some sort of short circuiting took place. Over here, it was short circuit in a power cable. This is the LP bridge in Nerul where this accident took place, and the two students have now been rushed to the hospital where they are being treated. But another case of, citizens being affected. Remember, just now in Mumbai, we've seen the case of an 11-year-old child killed after a tree fell on his school bus, and now two students there electrocuted amid the heavy rainfall, and this is after a power cable. There was some kind of short circuit, we're told, and a power cable near the LP bridge in Nerul. Well, let's go across to Sujata now for more on this story. And Sujata, the students have been rushed to hospital. They are being treated there. But what happened in these, visuals are absolutely shocking. They're lying there in the rainwater. People don't know also whether to approach them. And I can see somebody throwing a cloth to see, whether they can move their bodies.
Well, yes, very unfortunate incident this time in Navi Mumbai, where because of a wire that was laid on the road, two young students who were walking past by, they stepped onto it and they were electrocuted. Both of them have been shifted to Fortis Hospital, and the mayor of Navi Mumbai, Sujata Patil, has now clarified that action will be taken and an inquiry has been ordered in the matter to find out that who exactly was responsible for this act, wherein all of these wires, they were not placed properly within the ground, which was supposed to be done. So, and with heavy rains lashing Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, we know that all of the citizens have been urged to take care of themselves.
All right, Sujata, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So take a look at those two students just lying there in the middle of the road. This is after they were electrocuted. They have been rushed now to the hospital where both women are being treated. But another case of civic apathy emerging from Mumbai city.